Now we will start the first project process group of the project management as per the BIM book, which is the main reference for the project management as per PMI. Actually, project initiation is the creation of project by the project management that entails the definition of project purpose. So in that stage or in this stage, we only focusing on creating the project charter, which is the start documents or the authorized documents of the project. And the other thing, we are working in identifying the main stakeholders expected to involve in this project. So through the first process group, project initiation, we are going to create the project definition and project purpose, primary and secondary goals, time frame and timeline when these goals are expected to be met. So before we start the definition of the project charter, which is the start document for each project, we will start to define what is the business case. Actually, as we remember, in each organization, there is a goal to move the organization from one phase to the second phase. So through our project initiation, we define the business case with the client and working on define the main target of the project, the reasons, options, benefit from this project, cost, time scale, and risk. All these factors can define based on the market demand, the organization need, customer request, technology advance, and maybe some social needs. So based on the needs, we create the business case. After we justify the need of the project, we start document this in the project charter. In the project charter, we put the project purpose, who will be the authorized project manager and his responsibility. We will put some high level requirement or high definition about some requirement, high level, because the more start we will involve or the more time we spend on the project, the more requirement will be defined. Like this curve, the level of uncertainty is too high at the initial phase and start to minimize up to the end. So at the initial phase, we have high level requirement about the project, which is defined in the project charter, and high level project description. General description about the main target of project and the main scope of the project. High level project deliverables. What is the main criteria? Just the main criteria. Brief description about the deliverables. And what is the expected overall project risk? And what is the milestones as per the schedule? Summary of the milestones. The date of the deliverables, date of phase number 2, date of the production, some key dates for the milestone schedule, and the project approval requirements. What is the main requirement so the client can approve our product based on? Who are the main stakeholder or the key stakeholder, which can be input from other project or from our organization process assets as we defined as a part of the organization in the database of the organization. And finally, how I can exit or finish or close my project as per specific criteria. The process number 2 is identifying the project stakeholder. Sure, we have some predefined key stakeholder during the project charter, but here it's the process of searching and coordinating and identifying the main stakeholders. for the project. And you can divide the stakeholders into two categories. The first one is internal stakeholders. It may be the sponsor, maybe the project manager, maybe PMO, which is Project Management Office, who's responsible for taking policies and configuring the policies for the project and for the organization. Maybe it will be the portfolio manager, maybe the program manager, maybe also project manager or other projects. It may be like a team member. For the external stakeholder, it may be the government, maybe the end user, the customers, the people who will use the product after finish, maybe the competitors, maybe the other company which is working in the competition of the market. So there is a lot of stakeholders I should take into consideration during the initiation. During the initiation process, we should first start with identifying the project charter, then go to identify the project stakeholders.